Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create instant slow-mo videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. First, open the gallery and then open the video that you want to apply the slow-mo effect to. For example, the video of this rolling pen. Now, to apply slow motion effect to it, start holding your finger down on the screen right from the moment when you want the slow motion effect to be applied. So let's play the video and hold the finger down on the screen, and this will apply the slow motion effect on it. Now let's stop pressing the screen and then tap the download icon in the top right corner of your smartphone. This will create a separate slow motion video out of the original one, and here is what it looks like. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.